So just to review, we've got the splay, both kid and adult versions, nice and soft. We've got the Metcons, which are CrossFit or weight training shoe. Look like they're kind of barefoot, but they are not. This is more of a medium stability shoe. We have the Zeros, which are nice and soft, a little bit more durable, have really nice flexibility. The Vivo Barefoot, again, a little bit more of a firmer sole, a little bit harder, not quite as flexible as some of the others, but has a little bit more rain protection. Is mesh up here, so isn't necessarily hot, but has a little bit more durability maybe for winter wear. I would also say that this is the shoe shape of this is a little bit less flexible width-wise. So even though it has a wide toe box and is a nice wide shoe, if your foot doesn't fit well in here, it's not a very comfortable shoe. But I do know people that really like these, so they're worth investigating. The Merrells, which are my personal favorite, nice and flexible, very light, pretty durable. I've, like I said, put a lot of miles on these and have really enjoyed this shoe. The Wildling, really nice and flexible, very nice and soft and wide, however a little bit less on the durable side. They're improving the design on this with stitching, so that is helping with the durability, but is something that's a little bit more of a summer shoe and definitely something that's more for city wear and not so much for hiking. And the LEMS are, again, nice and soft and flexible, but with a little bit more structure. This is nice because they have a kind of a nicer look to them, but they're still, the mesh lets a lot of airflow. So if you're somebody who has sweaty feet, these are a nice option to keep your feet nice and cool. So that is barefoot shoes that we have in our household. And I hope that helps you make some decisions in your choices of barefoot shoes. That is our shoe roundup. All of these shoes are available in our store at rosept.com. These are shoes that we personally own in our family and enjoy for a variety of reasons. They all have pros and cons about them. I hope that this roundup has been helpful for you in your shoe buying decision. All of these shoes are available in our store at rosept.com.